Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to be taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on the 420iM Sport Gran Coupe I have here for you today. The vehicle itself is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that, of course, it also features a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Included in that are these very striking 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2019 plate, so it also has that very nice facelift, and I'll point out all of those features as well as we go around the car. You will have already seen the facelift front headlights. Moving on down the side of the car, the vehicle has the gloss black BMW air breathers, our gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals, along with the sun protection glazing that you can see on the rear windows. Moving on for our first glance at the interior. That, as you can see, is also the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. In terms of interior trim, it's the darkened aluminum hexagon with the lighter aluminum accent. As you can see there, the vehicle comes with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and I'll show you around the rear seat configuration, which of course is an Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again, everything is in lovely condition in terms of the interior and overall condition on this car. Moving around towards the rear of the vehicle, you'll see it's got a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the lovely facelift rear lights, along with the more OEM looking Mperformance style rear diffuser. Opening up that tailgate, it is of course an automatic opening and closing, which then reveals a very large boot space. You can of course remove both the parcel shelves on the Gran Coupe variant to of course further enhance that room, alongside split folding seats. Moving around onto the other side, again the black sapphire metallic on this car works very nicely with all of the enhancements we've made, including those very stunning 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels. And we're now going to move swiftly on into the interior, because there is yet more special features to get through. So now we're sat very comfortably. We're immediately greeted by the Professional Plus widescreen navigation and media. If you're unfamiliar what the Professional Plus is, all Professional Plus is of course we get the widescreen alongside the fact it is touchscreen as well. A nice starting point is the fact that on the 2019 onwards vehicles we get the Connected Drive Plus, and we also get the Amazon Alexa function. So I'm sure a lot of you out there will be familiar with what Amazon Alexa is. You may have it at home, or you may already be familiar with it if not. However, this is of course the onboard vehicle function, so all we need to do is pair a device to it and then simply click our speech function button on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel and use it in exactly the same way, so we can ask it exactly the same questions. So a very useful tool to have on board a vehicle, alongside the regular Connected Drive Plus features, including online search, news and weather systems. Going back to the regular systems, including navigation, which utilises real-time traffic updates. We've also got Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection and USB inputs. I'll start the vehicle up and just run you through a couple of last minute bits. We've got down here the dual climate control, along where you'll find the switches for those heated seats. And again, if I go back to the very main menu, I'll just run you through the service requirements and service history for the car. As I've mentioned, it's a 2019 plate car. It's covered just over 22,000 miles, so of course it's had to have its first service on mileage, not age. However, you'll see there that the next service is not due for 19,000 miles time, or again on the date that's said there. However, the vehicle's just been into BMW, and again there is that record of that there for that first service, which is of course always great peace of mind when looking to purchase a vehicle. So full BMW service history, and it's just had a first service at BMW, meaning 19,000 miles till next service due. So hopefully guys, you've been able to find this walk around video very useful and taking something away from it, hopefully helping you to make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you very much guys. For further information, remember to check out the description box down below, where of course it will take you through to our website. If not, direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you guys, take care, goodbye.